Interesting. All right, so an interesting new study that shows that smiling can reduce our levels of stress and may even improve the mood in patients who struggle with depression. Our health expert, Dr. Kevin Campbell, here this morning to talk more about that. Doctor, good to see you.
Good to see you.
All right, so let's talk about stress. Break it down a little bit. What does it do to your body?
So stress can cause us to release hormones in our body that can elevate heart rate and blood pressure, can also actually precipitate heart attack and stroke and other really significant health problems.
That's serious, huh?
Absolutely.
What about this new study when it comes to smiling? How does that work?
Interesting new study came out, and researchers divided patients into 3 groups. They put them under stressful conditions performing a stressful task. One group was asked not to smile. The other group was asked to perform a social smile, or what we call a Pan Am smile, like you might see from an airline stewardess.
Like a kind of a fake.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And then one was a full, genuine smile, like if you were looking at your little girl when she was doing something cute. And what
Smiling.
And what they found was that heart rate and blood pressure went down significantly in the genuine smile group as compared to the Pan Am smile group and the folks who weren't smiling at all.
What about depression? How does smiling affect depression?
As a corollary to that study,
Right.
researchers actually injected Botox into the mouths of folks who were depressed and on medication, and studied how quickly they returned to baseline mood. They found that if you couldn't frown because they paralyzed your face with Botox, you became less depressed much quicker.
So what you're saying is that if you get Botox, you'll stay depressed? Is that?
No. The Botox actually helped return people to health and lost the depression because they couldn't make their facial muscles frown.
Gotcha. Okay, so what's the take-home message here?
Smile. All right. Smiling reduces stress.
And you're going to show us something here coming up with chopsticks here after Bill's weather on how this will help smile, right?
Exactly.
Little tease there. All right, so also if you have a question for Dr. Kevin Campbell, really easy to ask him. Just log on to our website, WNCN.com. Make sure you search the links we mentioned. From there, you can also find Dr. Campbell's website, his Facebook page, and his Twitter. Chopsticks.
Yeah.
Here we go, Bill.
A little nervous about
everybody.
So no food, but what we're going to do is in the study with smiles, we standardize the facial expressions. So Bill is going to be the neutral face.
You put the parts that can hurt me?
No, you can put the fatter side in.
I'm going to put the
Just
fat.
bite down.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wait, is he doing
So
that
that's
right?
the neutral expression.
Oh, okay.
And
So what do I?
Sharon has the Pan Am smile.
I'm doing this.
I feel like
There
a
you go.
walrus.
That's the Pan Am smile right there. And then Phil gets the wide, full smile. And that's how we standardize the smiles in the study.
I can't get ready to say.
I feel like a walrus.
Now, my smile, the wide smile, the cheesy smile, is the one that helps with depression.
That's the one that helps depression resolve and also lowers heart rate and blood pressure. It's good for
When
you.
we laugh at each other all the time, that's good for us too, right?
Absolutely.
Okay.
It sure is.
Okay, so.
There you go.
Her Paige, whose chopsticks do you want?
Phil's, because they were the only ones that were barely. I'm sitting here thinking, I know, I guess you can try your finger too. It makes you just go wider, right? If you have it sideways.
Exactly.
Yeah. It feels like a real smile.
Yeah.
I like that.
Ooh.
Uh-oh.
I just
Don't
lost
drop your
mine.
chopstick.